Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our last video, we have started a new course, which was web dev course, where we have showed the difference between index.html, styles.css, and script.js. And today we will be talking about header elements. So first of all, this is the file we have last time. As you can see, like and subscribe, the website is working. Okay. Now what we want is to teach you guys about headers. Now today's video will be a short video, but a very important and very crucial video. So let's say header elements. Now we can comment it out. We're using Control/ or Command/ if you're on Mac. Basically, comments is something that whenever the browser reads, whenever it sees a comment, it skips. You can open an empty comment by this way, and you can enter whatever you want, and the browser will skip it because it's for the developer, it's for the people to understand, and it's not for the browser. After that, let's talk about the header elements. There are 6 header elements. H1. As you can see, H1 has opening and closing tag. We will talk about tags furthermore. Just understand what is H1, and then we save it and we open it on our server. First of all, Control S. Then as you can see, it's a big header. So it's used in every single website, and it is very important. But there are multiple headers. So we have H1, then we have H2, we have H3, we have H4, and we have H5, and the last we have H6. So we will save it, and as you can see, the header, but H1 is the biggest, H6 is the smallest. The more you go down, the smaller it becomes. But after H6, H7, H8, H9, H10 is not there. So it's like H6. So it does not matter. Let's say, for example, web dev. So let's change the syntax for you guys to actually differentiate. Web dev episode 2 header elements. As you can see, we can make a website like this that is talking about our video topic. Okay. So that is all for headers. We can, as you can see, we can put an element, we can hover over an element and Command or Control/ it can comment or uncomment. For today, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.